Hello and welcome to a short tutorial for installing the Panda Security free antivirus, because a lot of people have problems with the install. So first you obviously want to download it from the Cloud Antivirus.com page, and if you download it, a lot of people have the problem that when you finally have it and you try to start it, I can't because I installed it already. It will crash immediately. So this is how you solve this problem. At first you take some zip software. I take 7-zip, and you go ahead and you open the exe data. You can extract then the data to a folder. I extracted it right here, and inside that folder you will find the Stubinstaller.ini, and you go ahead and open it, and inside the ini you find this link here, the URL download link, and you copy that into your browser and download this the exe you get, and this one will work. It's the direct install exe, and as you can see it's 53 megabytes, and this one works for me at least. So hope that helped you, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments for me. I'll leave all the links in the description. Have fun.